Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to restore deleted files on a computer or laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. You don't need to worry when you accidentally delete files on your laptop, because you can recover these files. I will share a method to restore deleted files on a computer or laptop. We can start with the first method. First, you can restore deleted files with Ctrl+Z. For example, I will delete this file. Once deleted, we can press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. Your file will be restored to its original location. However, the first method has some drawbacks. 1. Only works right after deletion. 2. Doesn't work if you've restarted your PC or done many actions afterward. So if your file has been deleted for a long time or your laptop has been restarted, you can use the second method, which is through the recycle bin. Open your laptop in desktop view. Double-click the recycle bin on your desktop. Find your deleted file. Click the file and click Restore the selected items. And now the file will go back to its original location. This method is very easy to practice. So I think that's enough tutorial for this video. Good luck and see you in the next video.